What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's the last day of 2019 and I'm very excited to end this year with a banger. I accomplished a lot of goals and I hope all of you guys did as well. I'm a really small channel ending 2019 at close to 5,000 subscribers, but hopefully 2020 is going to be a good year for us, for the channel, for all of you guys, for everybody that subscribed, supported the channel. But let's hop into today's video. I just wanted to wish everybody a happy new year. Wish you all of the best. Health is number one, obviously, and everything that you guys have your goals set to be, hopefully you guys reach all of your goals. But let's hop into today's video. The car E36, guys, the car that hasn't been on the channel for a very long time. And yes, I promised to do these rubber strips around the door handle. I haven't got the chance to do it, but I promise I will do it in 2020. The Porsche GT4 is parked, and here's the Toyota Camry. Today's video is going to be a follow-up on my wheel bend that I did on the previous video. If you guys missed that video, I actually popped my tire by hitting some type of an object on the freeway. Alright my friends, so for ruining and damaging your wheels on your car, 2019 was a very bad year for me because I damaged 2 rims on 2 different cars. I'm very happy I didn't ruin the wheel on the BMW or on the Porsche, but I did damage the wheel on the Lincoln MKZ. That was actually one of my first videos on the channel where me and my wife took a trip to Las Vegas and I talked about cracking the wheel, having it fixed, and actually taking a road trip all the way to Las Vegas. And now I just picked up this all new Camry and I bent the wheel on this car too. And I decided to actually share how much it costs on video for you guys, for anybody that's in this type of situation or just curious on how much it actually costs to fix an 18, 19 inch, 20 inch wheel. So here's the receipt for the tire and the rim. These guys over here in North Hollywood, California, the second time they're fixing my rims on my car. They mounted the tire and they did all of that. Brand new tire, exactly the tire that it comes from Toyota. And fixing the bent wheel cost me $265. So the rim itself, if you're trying to fix an 18-inch rim, depending where you're located, should cost you around $100. Now it was, I think, $125 or $140 for the cracked rim, and for this bent rim was just over $100, like including the taxes and everything. But all in all, it hurts your pocket, but it's not something that it's better to fix it, I think, than to go and buy a brand new wheel from Toyota or Lincoln, because I quoted you guys there was close to $1,000 for one rim for a Lincoln MKZ. So this hurt the pocket a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. Things happen, and I just wanted to share with you guys the cost. Like I said, I put the front bent wheel in the rear after fixing it, after making sure everything is good, and I put the rear wheel in the front. It is what it is, guys. Just wanted to share the video. Want to wish everybody a happy new year. Hopefully 2020 is going to be good for all of us. Thanks again for joining in. If you're new, smash that subscribe on. I wish you guys a happy new year. I'll catch everybody in 2020. Peace.